Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to play Cordelius in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can just simply click on the left icon of brawlers here, or you can just simply click on the brawler itself. Now we will look for Cordelius. Okay, as you can see, I have it here and it's on max power. I don't personally like this brawler. I will show you. And let's click on select, and now let's click on play, because I personally think it has a very short firing range, and the shots are not as effective as other brawlers despite being on the max rank. It has although very high firing range. Okay, so that's how you can play with Cordelius. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.